What is going on, YouTube? The Woods in May here. So excited for these products coming up next. We are looking good, feeling good, and doing good. So excited to give you our initial review, initial reaction to these products. And we're just going to get right into it. I mean, first off, I just really want to highlight how beautiful this packaging is. This is Glacier Falls Dr. Squatch, 1.7 fluid ounces, 50 milliliters. It has like the wood kind of look to it. And then we flip it around to the back. So it says, a brisk misty spray hits your face as you round the rocky path to view a, what does it say? Sprawling ice-capped mountain waterfall. Feel like a man, smell like a champion. Just beautiful packaging. I love the blue aesthetic to it. Let's open this up. I hope everyone's having a wonderful, wonderful day. And right away, take that off. Here you go. We have the box. And now let's see how this box kind of opens. Nicely packaged, so it kind of pulls apart. And boom. Wow. It's beautiful. So here it is. Glacier Falls. It has like a waterfall in the background. So it doesn't fall out. That's what I was worried about. It's tightly like put in. Very clean box. And let's take this out so I can show you the cologne itself. Okay, so here it is. Here's the Glacier Falls. It says natural cologne for men. I like the look of it. It's kind of like a leather top. Not sure if that's real leather, but looks cool. Let me show you in comparison to a brick. I got Snowy Pine Tar here. Here's Snowy Pine Tar. Here's the cologne. Comparison of size. There you go. Just so I can show you. And let's just open it up. I want to spray it. I'm just going to spray it out before I sprayed it on myself. So, wow. Okay. Yeah. So, I mean, I could just spray it on my clothes, I guess. That smells amazing. Right off, like if you're looking for a very nice cologne and you love the Dr. Squatch scent and you love Fresh Falls, I mean, oh man. Here, let me do it on that. That smells so good. So the cool thing about this is it has a very nice, rich, clean, fresh fall scent, but it's like cologne and a little bit different. So it has more of a, it does have more of that glacier kind of like icy kind of approach to it. That smells amazing. This definitely feels like a cologne that you can use every day. It seems like it's going to be a versatile one because you can use it during a date if you're just going out. It just has a very clean smell, and whoa, this smells amazing. And let's put it back in the box. The sides is also kind of like that gray, naturey. Looks very cool. Aesthetically, very, very pleasing. If you want to see a full review, I can do a full review. They won't be too long reviews, but I'll go into some details about the colognes. Let's do Fireside Bourbon next. Again, packaging looks absolutely stunning. Dr. Squatch Fireside Bourbon has a little flame, 1.7. So yeah, this has a little waterfall there. I'm going to be smelling extra good. I already showered with Werewolf Wash. I have Summer Citrus deodorant on. And look at the wood. The wood shines a little bit more there. And then let's look at the back real quick. Very cool. And it says, Fireside Bourbon Natural Cologne. A fire crackles, the sun sets on the horizon. You settle into your favorite leather armchair, whiskey in hand. Cheers. Feel like a man, smell like a champion. Very clean packaging. Again, really, really liking it. Kind of has like a nice unboxing experience. Let's open this up. Okay. But yeah, God bless you all. I hope y'all are doing good. Definitely check us out on Twitch. That's where we're most active. You can join the Discord. The link will be down below. If you're looking good, feeling good, and doing good, would love to have you part of the community. Again, the box is nice and sturdy. It doesn't feel like it's a very nice, cardboard kind of like it's just a very nice box. Looks amazing. As you know, like with all the other even like partnership box, you know how like sturdy and nice it is. This is a very nice box. And let's see if this one opens. Okay. I know what I'm doing this time. There you go. Boom. By the way, I can still smell I'm going to be straight up smelling like cologne. I can still smell the Glacier Fall. I'm going to keep saying Fresh Falls, but Glacier Falls, it smells absolutely amazing. So here it is. Okay, so it has the same nature aesthetic. I wasn't sure if it was going to be like a campfire or something, but it looks like it's a nature aesthetic, so I assume it might be the same for the woodland pine. But let's take this out. Again, obviously I wouldn't let it do it out in the open, but it's nice and sturdy in there, and you are able to take it out. Natural Cologne Fireside Bourbon. I'm really excited about these. That's the one thing. So with the other Dr. Squatch colognes, I know I never did a review about it, but my biggest complaint is that the scent didn't ever last long. And I never was one to use like an oil-based one, but there would be periods where I would rock it, and I do like the scents overall, but again, the scents would really go off for a long time. And let's say the only way you could make the scents last longer is like even if you put a little dab on like a piece of clothing, but the problem there, since it's like oil based, it wouldn't go away. So I'm actually really excited for this because I do use spray cologne, and now that you have scents that are matching Dr. Squatch, I think it's completely a game changer for sure. But yeah, you have the nice aesthetic, nice and clean, nothing too crazy. And let's just compare the size. Let's say to like a Drunken Pumpkin. I mean, it seems fitting. Here you go. Right to the side. And then just like, I didn't do that last time. So like the width. So yeah, this is 1 point, what did I say? 1.7. Let me see. Yeah, 1.7 fluid ounces. Let's open this one. My desk is going to smell good too. All right, so this is the cap, by the way, if you're able to see it. Very cool. All right, so first thing, we're going to just spray out here, make my desk smell all good. Try to get it out of the way. Wow. Okay. I mean, that, let's do it on our arms or on the clothes. It's going to smell like that for a while. Let it air out. I should have had some coffee beans. Oh, I had some coffee beans. I should have done that. Okay, interesting. Yeah, I definitely first off the spray, let me say when you put it in the air, it definitely has that wood barrel bourbon smell. Even some can say the Drunken Pumpkin. I have it here. So definitely has like that wood barrel Drunken Pumpkin. When you apply it to, obviously you have to let it dry out more, and it will change as time goes on. When you apply it on clothing, and I assume on your skin, it's going to change a little bit too. It has that wood barrel bourbon, but now I know why it's called Fireside, because it has a bit more of a smoky touch to it. A nice smoky touch to it. Cologne wise, like it's a cologne wood barrel bourbon with like a fire smoky scent. It isn't overwhelming. That is quite pleasant. Smells awesome. I think this one. This one you can even do. I think this would be a good like nighttime if you're going out to a date or just going to something nighttime. This might be it. That's kind of where I will settle with it, but it's honestly really good. I really like it. It's going to be cool to have the option to use all three. Let's put that one back. Like I said, I'm going to be smelling extra good today. And then last but not least, we have Woodland Pine. Again, I love the packaging. Woodland Pine Dr. Squatch looks very, very clean. Looks very nice. And then the back, just show you the back. Woodland Pine, natural cologne. Rugged, bold, and masculine. Inhale deeply as you walk through a majestic pine forest. Branches crack as you feel the mossy forest floor under your boots. Feel like a man, smell like a champion. All right. Handcrafted in the United States of America. Let me know down below if you're excited to get your hands on this and which one are you going to lean on? Which one is my favorite? Let me know down in the comments which one do you think already is my favorite. I'll let you know at the end where I would essentially rank them. And like I said, if you want to see a review, just let me know down below. I'll do a quick review for each one. But so far I am liking them and I can smell them both. I'm going to be smelling I'm going to be smelling like all of them. That's okay. I'm doing it for you. Okay, so click that like button, click that subscribe button, and let's keep things rocking and rolling. Okay, so this one's actually a little different, which is cool to see. It has trees, more of a tree look, and it still has like the nature outside, but I definitely see more trees, which is cool for woodland pine. Now, I wonder if it's going to be different, you know, for like each box, if it's going to be like a little bit of a different still image. We'll see. So if you get a box, just let me know if it is different, but here it is. And again, it doesn't fall out, which is nice. Pull it out. There you go. There's the box. Very nice box. And here we are. We have Woodland Pine Natural Cologne. There you go. And then let's put it up with Snowy Pine Tar. Just size difference. Very cool. Awesome. So again, aesthetically, a very clean. Just you can have it on your desk. You know, just looks clean. Looks like a very nice cologne. I really like it. Cool. So here's the top again if you're just interested. And let's just get into this one. Woodland Pine Natural Cologne. And let's spray it over here this time. You're here, ready? Whoa. Okay. Interesting. All right, let's get it on our... I want to do my wrist for this one. I do both. Oh man, I'm gonna smell straight up cologne. Was that a mistake? I'm gonna let it dry out. Whoa, that smells good already. I'm gonna let it dry out because, you know, usually you want to. But yeah, if you haven't already, like I said, definitely check out the Discord. Would love to have you there. And then join us on Twitch. It's a lot of fun. We've been playing NHL recently because there's a tournament coming around, depending on when you watch this. But we've been doing that. It's been a lot of fun. Good shot. Let's go! 0.8 seconds left to go. And you know what, Evan? For the snip the brick, that's for you, my good sir. You get to choose between Spidey Suds, Irish Cream Whiskey, and you can choose Beskar, Tar, Horse Fresh, Coconut Cassowary, Drunken Pumpkin, Bay Rum, and a whole bunch of extra pine tars. You choose. Now, again, I didn't apply it to my... Should I apply it? That's going to be too much cologne, honestly. Should I apply it to my jacket? Because I wonder if the other ones would also translate a little bit different on the skin. Now, this one, I think out of all of them, has a little bit more variation in the scent. Let me just actually... okay. Let me just apply it. I just want to see if it smelled different on the clothes. Okay. So for this one, I think it has more variation in comparison to the soap. Obviously, woodland pine is replicating or close to pine tar, but they're all going to have a little bit of variation. But this one overall has more variation than the soap itself. You get a nice crisp pine smell, but it's not as strong as like even like pine tar. It's airy, crisp, wrapped around a slight pine, but not super strong, and a nice cologne smell. I think this one is definitely something that you could wear. I wouldn't put too much, but like even if you're going outdoors, doing some kind of outdoor event, or you can wear it during the day. Versatile, I think you could still wear it at night too. But it has a very almost like a fresh touch to it, more than like the pine tar. Not saying that pine tar isn't fresh. Smells good. Honestly, really like it. I think if you want to see a in-depth review of each cologne, definitely let me know. But that smells good. That smells good. Like I said, I think it's a little bit more different than the... On the clothes, I think it's becoming more of like a tree, piney kind of smell, which is cool. But I'm also curious to, now that I say that, like I said, if application on the skin is going to be different than on the clothes. Obviously it is, that's the answer, but I'm just curious at how that's going to translate over time. So how would I rank these bad boys, right? Like initial thoughts. So at number 1, or should I do 3? I already grabbed it. At number 1, I think I have to say Glacier Falls is my number 1 off initial. I love that smell. That smells fresh. That smells clean. It smells like something I could wear anytime on a date, if I'm just going out, if I'm nighttime, daytime, dinner, brunch, you name it. At number 2, I'd probably put Fireside Bourbon, and this might change over time the more I use it. This is just initial thoughts. But I think I'd put Fireside Bourbon. I think it smells really good. I do like smoky scents. And then number 3, surprisingly, I put Woodland Pine. I think the variation away from it is what's kind of putting it at the number 3 spot. It still smells really good. I'm still going to be using it. But yeah, I think Glacier Falls smells excellent. If you like this kind of videos, definitely hit that like and subscribe button. And like I said, definitely check us out on Twitch and join the Discord. All the links are down below. Would love to have you part of the community. We got some awesome tailors, some head tailors, some VIPs there. Maybe one day you can even be a VIP. But I'll catch you in the next one. Let me know if you want to see another video very soon. Peace out.